sneaky cat. Sneaky cat.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, I've been working my ass off on some cinematic videos lately, so finally we're going to do a vlog. And I feel like this is the most underrated vehicle in our garage lineup.
I really think it is.
The reason why is because we don't ever make videos on it. It's because Kevin daily drives it, so on the weekends there's no point in making videos on it because it gets used all week. But it's definitely the most underrated vehicle in the Van Voorst garage.
Yep.
Has 707 horsepower. It's got eco mode, which Kevin always drives around for some stupid ass reason. Usually if someone wants to race us, we have to make sure we take that off.
I always forget. This is funny. I always forget.
So this thing is badass, all-wheel drive. You've seen tons of reviews on it, but we thought it'd be cool to finally do some like in-person reactions and some launches, some hard accelerations.
And if you guys saw the original video when we bought this, we went to the dealership to make a video on why this was stupid.
Yeah.
And then we ended up buying it that night. So
it's still stupid.
It's still stupid.
It's ridiculous. And you'll see why. So we're gonna turn off eco mode. We'll do a couple in-persons. Kevin's gonna put it on track for the best.
Yeah, so also we're on airbags, but you can still actually all these are still functional, which is cool. So
function over form.
That's right.
Form over function, or I guess we're equal in this vehicle.
Bought, not built, or some
yeah.
shit. Alright, so
we'll do a off idle, just punch it first.
Ready?
Yep. Man. Woo!
It even was spinning.
Yeah, it spun a little bit. It's like 58 degrees out, a little less than 50. So that was just directly off idle, not foot brake or anything, just punch and go. And we got up to 70 pretty quickly. I'd say it's a little slow after 60, but 0 to 60 is insane. Is your fastest on there?
I bet you it is.
Let's see what Kevin's fastest 0 to 60 is. See if we can beat
3.5 is the 0 to 60.
3.5.
Yeah.
3.5. So we're gonna see. We'll do a couple launches, maybe like a 1,000 to 2,000. What's the highest you think it'll hold?
I think it's right under 2,000.
Under 2,000? Weak.
I don't know. It's. I guess we're gonna find out.
We'll see if we can get the launch control to work too. It's kind of finicky, kind of like the Demon. Yeah, with the trans brake shit.
It is. Because I was trying to teach Rachel how to do it, and it would kind of stop here and there.
Yeah, it's real finicky, just like the Demon. You have to hit it at certain points to hit it. Was that you coming? No, just kidding. So we got traction control off because it's in track mode, so it automatically does that.
Yeah.
So we'll go somewhere here. We'll see if we can give it a little RPM off the foot brake.
So my foot's all the way down. It's kind of.
So this is how the launch control works.
Yeah. So apply full throttle.
Jeez. Oh. And there's a car.
You feel it in your stomach.
Yeah. We got to beat the 0 to 60.
It's tough.
We got good air.
I mean, yeah.
Transit.
I wonder what the G-forces on this is.
Oh yeah, James was asking what your G-forces were on the Charger from the 1.4.
I don't know, but
we're gonna have to look that up. That shit's probably
my balls were fucking on my stomach.
I didn't have balls after.
No testes. Alright, we'll let this vehicle pass.
Side note, I cut my fastest 60 foot in his fucking car. Stupid! Alright, so we're gonna let this car pass. What are we doing this time?
We'll try launch control. Just kind of.
We're gonna try the launch.
Let's foot brake it.
Alright, 2,000 foot brake.
Yeah. We'll
see if this will beat the 60 foot. Fuck! God damn! That shit wiggled. Oh my god! Will it show recent? Like the previous one?
Yeah, it should.
Let's see what I think the other one was 3.8 when we went from idle. I thought that's what it said. That's 60 foot. 177, 60 foot on the street. That's not bad.
Just 3.9.
What?
I think we have to leave it in this. Maybe.
Oh, I don't know. Best 60 foot, 177. Let's go put some pimp news down on this shit.
Jesus Christ. I forget. You just, like, forget.
All-wheel drive launches are no joke. I miss having all-wheel drive. That shit's fun.
Like, I think if I didn't have the Charger, I think I would totally tune this and stuff and just go take people's money.
Yeah. This, if you want the ultimate, I mean, it's the most expensive, but
Yeah.
if you want, like, a real sleeper that you can go do 8th mile digs on the street
Yeah.
with, I think this would give people a run for their damn money, especially if you're doing, like, they have no prep stuff where you can do, like, true street classes or even daily driver classes that this would fit in. Man, you could take some people's money.
You really could.
Throw some nittos on this thing, throw a little more power at it.
And this still squats. Like, I know I've had a bunch of people ask me because of airbags. Like, my car still squats. This still squats. Like, you can see pictures and videos of this squatting at the track. So
Still got this squat. We need to throw some drag rails on and see if we can get a better quarter mile time. That was shitty last time we took to the track.
I know. I think if I come up on a deal, maybe over winter, I'll get some for some just to fuck around.
We'll get some like lighter wheels with a little stickier tire. So we got some big heavy wheels on it right now. Some 22s.
Yep.
Some deuces.
Well, man, I saw some dude use the taser and he put it in rear wheel drive mode.
Oh, shit.
And that fucking thing went like.
Doing wheelies in the track.
Yeah. Let's see.
Alright, we're looking for a
Dead end. Perfect.
dead is the key term there.
Okay, so now we're ready, so we'll see if we can beat this.
That's a dead end! Oh, shit! That dead end came up real quick! Kevin really wanted to beat the 0 to 60, but we couldn't get to 60.
We got to 60. Oh, I was slamming on the fucking brakes.
Shit! Shout out Brembo.
God damn.
Oof, my gosh. So, I don't know. Is the road too short to do it on the way back? We might have to find a different road. That was pretty nasty. That was like 2250, 2100, something like that.
Yeah, I was surprised it held.
The brakes help. We need a freaking trans brake in these cars.
Not really, though.
Just a little lever. Oh, this guy's coming in hot.
Oh, really?
You want some, Minnie? Koopa?
See, I don't...
That's too short of a road.
Yeah. Well, maybe if we... No.
No, the freaking light is right there. That's a horrible idea. We almost killed ourselves.
Full weight, bro.
This is full weight. We should put a Kirky in here.
Oh, my God. Well, I can't imagine how much these back seats weigh.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm sure these front seats are freaking heavy as shit, too.
Let's see.
This does have a BE Woody intake, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's why it's got the.
And I would have bought a Livernois one, but they weren't out when I bought it, so...
If anyone wants a BE Woody one, we'll sell it to you, so we can buy a Livernois one.
I would, actually.
It's black.
I would.
Makes supercharger really loud. These superchargers are pretty quiet, actually, without an intake. I think it's super loud.
They really toned them down, which I understand why. I mean, they're expensive.
Go look at Kevin's video on the muffler delete, the dang suitcase muffler.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that was.
We lost some weight just cutting that bitch off.
Yeah. Well, and then I thought something was wrong with the exhaust because there's that dent in it, but I guess that's how it actually is,
Make it fit. All right, we're gonna go. What the hell? We're gonna go search for a road. See if we can beat this 0 to 60.
Yeah.
3. What are we doing?
Foot brake, 22. Since this should be a longer road, so
Okay,
we'll see. Oh man, it fucking spins.
Oh shit! My foot. Oh shit! You got stuck. Here, pull it up. I got you. Neutral. Oh! The gas is stuck right now. What the hell? You're neutral. What the hell just happened? 3. What are we doing?
foot brake, 22, since this should be a longer road, so we'll see. Oh, man, it fucking spins. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I got stuck. Jesus Christ, almost fucking died.
Oh, shit.
There's a recall. You guys are gonna fucking not believe me. There's a recall on this floor mat. That's why it got stuck. Remember I was telling you?
Yeah. Damn, I thought you were a flip-flop guy.
No,
I was like, man, that's why you don't drive in sandals.
God damn, and then I had ripped the fucking... I had to rip it out.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Guys, we were going straight for...
fuck.
Okay, we were going...
Mama!
Oh my god, I can't believe that just happened.
My heart, I feel like I'm...
Oh, shit. Oh,
I
god.
died on fucking video. Holy fuck.
Let's go back down that road, show them what almost happened.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me get out.
Let's see the
Jeez, so it gets stuck. See how it lifts? There's an actual recall on this. So, holy fuck. Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Then I'm fucking done.
Okay, so we went down this dead end. We turned around. We were going to go out.
Dude,
so we thought there's no... And Kevin was hitting the brakes and it wasn't stopping. I'm like, what the hell is he doing? Like, dude, we had to have gone to 60, and then you could see that it was revving past it, but he was holding the brake. And then there's a car coming the other way, and Kevin goes through the road without stopping because we couldn't stop. So I don't know, he was yelling at me to do something, so I just put it in neutral.
Because I was going to tell him, like, grab the fucking...
I thought you were saying grab the pedal. I'm like, grab the pedal? So I just put it in neutral. That way at least we could roll to a stop. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. That's raw shit. That is raw.
That was not the plan tonight.
Damn it.
Oh shit. Best 3.5? Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Guys, we beat it. 3.5. Oh shit. Damn. That was scary.
Like, I'm fucked up right now. Oh my god.
We almost took $100,000 Jeep through an intersection into a grass lot. Look, what was on the other side? Just like a grass lot?
A fucking big ass curve.
We would have, yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you thought Rachel scratched the wheels. We would have scratched the wheels. Damn, that was sketchy. Oh shit. Well, we beat our best time.
You guys saw it here first. Holy shit. God damn it. Wow. Almost fucking died.
RIP. Kevin's going on vacation too.
I know. That'd have been nice. Fucking. I'm fucking paraplegic. Jesus Christ.
Damn. That was nuts. And that's how you do launches in a Trackhawk.
Yeah.
What was it, like 21, maybe 22?
That was 23.
23.
That was good.
3.5, 0 to 60. Not bad for on the street.
No. Shit, I'm gonna go to church.
Oh my god. Just show the 0 to 60, or the 60 foot, not 0 to 60. Where it's
60
You need a oil change.
Yeah, I know.
Good thing they're free.
147.
Damn, it was 177 before that.
Yeah. So.
Oh shit, we were cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, 147 is good at a track.
I'll tell you guys if what the G's are.
147 is good at a track. This is on the street, and these things are pretty accurate. We've compared them to time slips from the track. These things are pretty spot on.
I think you have to go to look at the G-forces on the actual page. I think. Oh no, 1.24 G's.
1.24 G's.
God damn.
Put you into a wall. Kevin's gonna go throw up at the local pack
no
of sack.
shit, dude. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, that was freaking scary. Holy shit. So I had this idea. I was like, Kevin, I want to make a video doing some launches in the Trackhawk. You know, we don't really... He's leaving right now, as you can hear. We don't really show the Trackhawk that much because he daily drives it, so we kind of forget about it on the weekends when we want to make videos. So we're going to make these videos, and then we're like, man, let's try and beat the 60 foot and the 0 to 60 time in the Trackhawk, and we find this dead end road. That one was too short, so we went to a different one. after we already made a couple passes, and then the freaking throttle got stuck. I thought, because Kevin wears sandals in 40-degree weather, I don't know why, but he does. He thinks it's comfortable, I guess. And he drives in sandals. Comment down below if Kevin needs to wear regular shoes when he drives. Anyways, I thought his sandal got stuck on the throttle because we went, and I'm like, okay, you already went 60 miles an hour, the road's ending, and he kept going, and you could hear him hit the brake, and the throttle, or the RPMs were still going up. I was like, oh shoot, something's not right. And I guess I thought his sandal got caught. It was the floor mat that got caught, and he was yelling to try and pull the floor mat, and so I just put the car in a neutral instead. That way we could slow down because there's traffic coming this way. It was dead before, but of course, as we're going, a car is coming from the left side, and that was scary as shit. So we blow through the stop sign, go across the road, kind of swerve to the left, and that's when I just put it into neutral, so the car finally, after we crossed the road, the car finally slowed down, and then he had ripped the floor mat out. At that point, off the little hook, he had ripped it off, and the throttle got unstuck, thankfully. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. We always do dumb shit, and we never have the camera around. And when we have the camera around, nothing dumb happens. And that was the first time something dumb has happened that we had the camera around. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was honestly really scary. We almost crashed a $100,000 Jeep. So, if you guys liked that video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vanvy39. We'll see you guys on the next one.